How to add another email account in Outlook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Outlook and simply scroll down on the left side where you have Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. Scroll down at the last and click on Add Account. Then simply select the account and press on Continue at the bottom. After that, press on Done and your account has been added in this Outlook. When you scroll the same thing, you will find another email at the bottom. You can simply switch from here or simply stay on the first one. And this is how to add another email in Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.